Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our February new products video. Our first new product is this grill emblem. This is from Dennis Carpenter Industries. It's reproduction of the original, licensed by Ford Motor Company. This is the 87 and 91 Ford Bronco and F-Series front grill emblem. This hasn't been available for 5 or 10 years. Dennis Carpenter remade it. We have them here. It's a beautiful piece, looks good. Pull it out of the package, got the post on the back. Slap it on your grill, get a driver with a ratchet, comes with the retaining nuts, ratchet it down, and you got a brand new looking front. Brand new 87 to 91 front grill emblem for the Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. Our next new product is this wiper delay box. This fits the 73 to 79 F-Series pickup and 78.9 Ford Bronco. This hasn't been available through Ford Motor Company for years. Now it's available. Much sought after piece. What's nice about this is if you have the factory one and this is just burned out, you can just plug it in and away you go. If you've never had wiper delay and you just got the standard 2-speed switch from the factory, you can upgrade. You buy the new switch, buy this box assembly. This plugs into your harness. You plug this end of the back end, other end of the switch, and away you go. You have wiper delay. Brand new. Fits the 73 to 79 F-Series pickup and the 78, 79 Ford Bronco. And our next new product are these beautiful pedal covers. We have these in 3 varieties. We have the Ford Bronco with the Ford Bronco script with the bucking Bronco. We have the F100 with the Ford script and the F150 with the Ford script. These come in 2 sizes. This is the larger one. This fits most trucks with power brakes. Then we have the smaller one, which fits clutch and manual brake covers. We also sell the accelerator pedal, which is just plain, and we have the emergency brake one also. What's nice about this is these are licensed by Ford. They're beautiful. You're replacing them. We have this whole set. These fit from 66 all the way to 96. Brand new Ford Bronco, F100 and F150 pedal covers. And our next new product is this Shackle. This fits the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. This is the exact reproduction of the original. We've had this made. This is from the Bronco Graveyard. Heavy duty steel construction. It's rolled over, super heavy duty weld in it, black powder coat finish. We had them put instead of a rubber bushing in it, we had to put a polyurethane bushing in it. This is brand new. This will fit any stock Bronco, or if you got a Bronco with a lift kit on it, you can put the multi-pack springs or the stock springs. This is the Shackle for you. Brand new for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And for our February Web Truck of the Month, we're going to do my 79 black freewheeling Bronco. You enjoy the video. Thank you for your support, and hope to see you again next month. This is my 79 freewheeling Ford Bronco. I purchased this probably approximately 12 years ago. It's a one-owner truck. It's known as a survivor, which I like about some of these vehicles. This truck has basically been untouched since Ford made it in 79. It's all original. It's got 62,000 miles on it. 79, you could buy this Chrome Illusion package through Ford Motor Company. When I was a kid, didn't have any money, always wanted one, so got older, I got this one here. I bought it. It's pretty much all original. When you had that package there, they gave you the black bumpers for the front and rear and black mirrors. I added the alpha bar to the front. Basically, it's a 400 C6 with a 203. The previous owner converted the 203 over to a part-time transfer case and put the Warren locking hubs on the front. It's pretty much all original. Got the Ranger package inside. It doesn't have the high backs. Got the low backs with the black tweed in them. It's really nice. I've got a factory roll bar, which I'm going to put in it one day, and I also have a factory CB. If I can find the high back bucket seats, this will have all the options that you could possibly buy for the Bronco. It's got a 350 locking rear end in it. It's got the swing away tire rack, Dana 44 front, 9-inch rear, pretty much the way it came. Haven't drove it in a few years, but when I drove it, it drove perfect. Had a few winters under it. It's got a little bit of rust underneath, not much, but it's all original. So this truck's basically 41 years old, and you can see that it still shines. It's got the air conditioner from the factory, heavy duty cooling in it. It was pretty much the high-end Bronco back in the day. Like I said, it's a nice truck. I've got it here. I always wanted one of these. Worked on them for years, sold parts forever, and this is one of my favorite. Next to the early Bronco, this is probably the favorite generation of Broncos.